Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd, 2020. Your work is posted in Google Classroom. Now, remember, we are distance learning, so we will have our live teaching session starting at 9:15, and that will go to about 10:30, maybe 11, and then you will work on your independent work, okay? This is what's posted in Google Classroom right here. It says, "Happy Wednesday. Your work for today is attached. Please watch the video of Miss Tudelo explaining your work. Also, don't forget to practice your sight words today." Today, we will have a Google Meet at 9:15 and live teaching directly after. This is for students and teacher only. It's important that you come to the Google Meet or you will be marked absent. Have a great day and don't forget to submit your work. And as always, friends, if you need help with any of your independent work, this Google Meet, this link will bring you to me, okay? I will be on this link and I will be available, okay? So let's see your work for December 2nd. So as always, you have this page which tells you what you have to do, okay? And here's your ask and answer sheet. If you have any questions or if your family has any questions, ask me a question. I will respond right when I see it. Here's the calendar. You can play around with that if you want. As always, your hundredths chart. And then place value. We've done a lot of this, so I know my friends know how to do it, okay? We've done it during live teaching as well. So because we cannot draw our hundredths, tens, and ones, you are going to decompose it or expand it. 78. Okay, what's the most efficient way to make 78? Is it 70 plus 8? Yes, it is. Good job, boys and girls. Okay. So you know how to do the number and value as well. But again, if you need help, come visit me in the Google Meet. Now, comparing numbers using justification like we did yesterday. Is 333 greater than or less than 245? Here's my example. First, I want you to think to yourself, is 333 greater than or less than 245? If you said greater than, you are correct. You know that 333 is greater than 245 because there are more hundreds in 333, right? There are three hundreds and only two hundreds in 245. Good job. Excuse me. And for reading today, my friends, you're going to read about wasp, okay? First, you can think about it before you read, as always. Think about what's the difference between a wasp and a bee? What do you know about wasps? And before you read, ask yourself a question that you're curious about. Maybe the story answers your question. And here's the story, wasps. And then, of course, answer the questions. What's the story about? Write one fact you learned about wasps. What is an insect? Where is the wasp stinger? Write another interesting fact about wasps. How is a wasp different from a bee? Okay. And then you have your December writing prompts. And today is December 2nd. So let's find December 2nd. Okay. But as always, the topic will be right here. Have you ever received a gift that you didn't like? How did you respond? And remember, I want you to write incomplete sentences and I want more than one sentence, okay? You're second graders now. We know how to write at least 4 or 5 sentences, okay? Now, some of my friends used Flipgrid yesterday, and I have to say, I really enjoyed watching them, okay? So today I want you to do the same thing. Take out your journal. I want you to practice your writing at home and write about your favorite part of distance learning. What's your favorite part about getting up every day and learning over the computer with your class instead of being in your classroom, okay? Think about how it's different from our classroom, okay? And then you can record it using Flipgrid. Again, my friends, Flipgrid is new. So if you can't figure it out, do not worry, okay? We will figure it out as we go. I'm going to keep posting it every day. For science today, we are learning about how did this tree travel halfway around the world. I can't wait till you watch this, my friends. It is so interesting. And right here, you can write about what you learned, okay? Think yesterday we learned a lot about seeds and plants and how they grow in different parts of a plant, so you'll find this science lesson very interesting. And of course, your reading corner, if you would like to read something today, we have plenty of options. My friends, I will see you very soon, and I hope you have a wonderful day.